Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to go through putting your shoulder into a good position. And just because it may look like you're doing something right, you may not actually be doing that. So if Karina puts her shoulder into a good position and raises her arm out, and I put a bit of pressure down here, she can hold it and it feels strong, okay? So all I'm going to do now is just rotate it a little bit here. So her arm's still going to be straight here, thumb's still going to be up in the exact same position the arm is in, but if I push down here, it is a lot weaker and it's not very pleasant, is it?
No.
No, so it's a lot more, but it still looks exactly the same. So here is a good position. If I press down here, it's good strength, thumb is up here in this position, and all I'm doing here is just this little bit here, the thumb is still up, I push down, infinitely weaker. And like I said, you may not notice the time whenever you are doing your exercises, but leaving something like that for any exercise, not just an arm pushy downy, and for your pull-ups, your press-ups, your presses and everything like that, if your shoulder is not in that wee bit of a position, you're going to be annoying it gradually over time. So that's why your mobility practice is so important, guys, okay?